Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back to show you guys what I have in my purse. I love watching what other people post videos about what's in their purse. I find it very interesting, so I figured why not me film one of what I have in my purse. Today I didn't feel like wearing any eyelashes. I don't know what you guys think about my look, and I still don't have any nails. That's okay, because tomorrow I will have a new fresh set of nails and they're gonna be cute. I just feel like my hands are like really short, so I don't know, I just feel like they look funny. It's just so crazy how nails can change our appearance of how our hands look, in my thought anyways. If you guys want to see what's inside my purse, then keep on watching. So this is a purse that I have. My hubby bought it for me. It's a Michael Kors purse, and then it has this little flap too here, if you want to like carry on your shoulder or do like a crossbody, or you can just, it has this where you can just like put on your arm or whatever. So I don't know the name of this purse. He got it for me on around Christmas time, I believe. I think it was around Christmas time, I'm not too sure. But I'll look up the name of the exact purse, and then I'll link it down below in the description bar for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in. I haven't cleaned my purse out or anything, so it's kind of messy. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is bag from CVS, because I went and picked up my birth control pills here, because you know I have no babies. 3 is enough. If you guys didn't know, I have 3 kids, so those are my pills. They give me like a 3-month supply or whatever, so nothing that's not really interesting. And then I have some receipts here from the grocery store, because I went grocery shopping and then they gave me a $5 off for my $25 purchase, which is pretty cool. And then I have my Michael Kors wallet, and he also bought it for me. It's not like the set that comes with the purse. I just like the color because I wanted it to be like similar to my purse. And let's open it up. And this is what I have in there, just my cards, my driver's license, some more receipts, as you guys can see, because just throw everything in my purse. Next thing that I have is this little baggie here. I got this from Estee Lauder. It was like a gift that they give you when you buy, like they had like if you guys ever go when they have sales like or promotions, they'll give you like a gift if you spend so much money. So they gave me this little cute little purse. I had another one, it was like all beat up from like Clinique. But in here I got my Fenty Beauty lip is it lip balm? Gloss balm, and this one's in the original Fenty Glow. That's my favorite. It's like, I don't think there's any in there anymore. I think there's like, I'm just still scraping in there. The next thing that I have are some Altoids, because if you got some stanky ass breath, this will help your stank breath. So I carry those in there. And then I have some Burt's Bees chapstick. These are my favorite for my chaps. If you have like dry lips, like when I'm at work, if I don't feel like wearing any lip gloss or anything. And then I have this here. It's a lip plumper from Ulta, and this one is in the color Utopia, and it reminds me of like a unicorn kind of color, and it's really pretty, you guys. The next thing that I have here is my inhaler, because I do have asthma. So a girl needs that, you know, when you can't breathe or you have allergies, and that's my little friend. Then I have a pad here for when I get my period, just in case, because I know when I get it, but just to have one in my purse. I don't like wearing tampons because those are not good for you. I know that the pads aren't either because of all the chemicals they have, but I prefer to use those over tampons anytime. And then I have a MAC lipstick, and this one's in Velvet Teddy. This one is my favorite lipstick from MAC, you guys. This is like a nice brownie nude color. I actually got this for free. Like if you take 6 back to MAC, they give you like a free, well, my MAC gives you only the free lipstick. I know like if the big MACs, they give you like, I believe eyeshadows. You can get eyeshadow or lipstick, but here it's only a lipstick. But that's okay with me because that's my favorite. And then I got some more receipts in here. It's just kind of like a referral for my daughter to get braces. Just have it in there. And then I have my keys to work, so I can open the door. Can't forget those, otherwise I won't be getting in or letting anybody in. And then I have a bill for my dentist that I already paid. They just, I guess they sent it to me afterwards or whatever. Dental appointment. And then I have my Michael Kors watch in here. I was actually going to go and have them put another battery in there, but I didn't end up going. But yeah, this is my little watch. My favorite. And then I have some Key. This is the first Desi collection. I think it's Key. Q-U-A-A-Y, whatever. These ones are in the gold color one. I kind of messed them up, you guys, because I left them in my car, and where I live here, it gets very hot, like in the 130s, and I didn't think I was going to do anything, but when I wear them, they almost look cracked on the inside, the like little squiggly lines, so I messed them up. But I still have them there just for the sun, you know. Then I have a little planner. It's a calendar kind of thing with my insurance cards. And then this here, if my car ever breaks down, to come pick me up. It came like with a deal when I bought my car. And this is just my calendar. It's old. Yeah, it's old. It's from last year, so I need to get a new one. I actually want to get a planner to like write down like what kind of videos I want to do for you guys. And then I have, what's this? JCPenney gift card, which I use for Sephora. Some more receipts. My birth control pills packet. More. A free haircut for my son. It's like Sports Collective something. Chongo. And then I have a whole bunch of change in my purse. I'm really bad. I shouldn't be doing it because it's a new purse and then the coins stay in your purse. But. And then this is my badge where I work. I don't want to tell you guys where I work. But it's my badge. Because I gotta wear it. Some random key that I don't know what it belongs to. And some Monopoly things at Albertsons. Yeah, like right now it's playing, but I don't really play, so I just take them to give them to my friend or my dad for work, for if you guys want to win. I don't even know. I don't even believe that stuff. Is that really true? Has anybody ever won from those Monopoly things? Because I haven't. So this is the inside of my purse. So it's just like one big ass hole, and then it has these little zipper pockets, but it's just mainly one big hole. Where that's why I have this like little bag to put my other stuff in there, because that way everything's not like a mess. I have in my purse, guys, nothing too crazy in there, right? Just kind of like a freaking disaster of receipts and all kinds of shit. But I do like watching other people's stuff, like what you guys carry in there. I don't really carry too much makeup in there. Well, I did like a lot of lip stuff, but I had cleaned my purse out a few weeks ago, so I took them all out and just put the ones that I would normally wear. But it slowly starts stacking up in there, like, oh, I want to wear this one today, so put it in my purse. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be coming out with more videos for you guys. Leave me any recommendations on what you guys want me to film for you guys, and I will definitely make it happen for you. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I thank everybody who has been supporting me and staying here with me. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.